Hi, my name is Fontana, and my project for CS50X is a blackjack game written in Python using the Pygame library. So my goal in creating this project was to create a simple single player game of blackjack where you will play against a computer dealer. It includes a graphical interface thanks to Pygame, buttons to hit and stand, and it also keeps a record of wins, losses, and pushes. So a little bit about me. My username is Fontana7 for GitHub and EDX. I'm from Cedar Falls, Iowa, and I recorded this video on December 7th, 2025. So when the game first starts, I build and shuffle a deck of cards. In the list, you can see that I do not include the suits since that is irrelevant in real blackjack rules, so I decided not to include it. I also deal two cards to the player and two to the dealer, making sure to abide by the real rules in blackjack. And in the image, you can see how the game looks like when it is first initialized. So, two big decisions you have to make in blackjack are whether to hit or stand. This functionality is implemented here through, well, I draw each button using a Pygame rect, and if you click hit, it'll check your totals under 21 and then deal another card from the list of cards, randomized cards. And if you click stand, your turn ends and it becomes the dealer's turn. So here you can see the three slides or the three functions that were used in the code on this slide. It checks for tough logic and blackjack that handles aces specifically so that it can count as either an 11 or a 1. It's recalculated depending to avoid a bust. If the total goes over 21, it'll send a message saying bust. If it's exactly on 21, it counts as a blackjack. Otherwise, the player is prompted again to either hit or stand. So once the player either stands or busts, the dealer must get to 17. Here the logic is implemented where the dealer will keep drawing from the list of cards until it either does this, it busts, beats the player, or hits 17. Um, After the game is over, there's a message in the middle of the screen prompting the user to play again. Well, I would say after playing my own game a few times, the moral story is don't play blackjack, especially not in real life. You will lose money. Thank you for watching my CS50 final project.